Hello, hello everyone. Am I lagging? Am I lagging? I might be lagging. Wait. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh my god, what am I doing? Um Twitch. I'm pretty sure I'm lagging. That's not good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm lagging. Okay. Let me get rid of some stuff. So I can have more bandwidth for this. Okay, I think that's working. Close, 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 close. Is that better? Little bit. What else do I have open? Okay, close. Am I still lagging? I think I am. I think I'm still lagging. Let me close this, and let me close this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, I have nothing else open but Google. Am I still lagging? I think I am. No. I don't think I can like leave and come back. Let me just double check one more time. Yeah, I think I'm still lagging. Am I? Aren't I? Or not? Maybe I'm not lagging anymore. All right, well, you know what? If I'm lagging, you will just have to live with it. Hi, Ulrich. How's it going? All right, so Anypoint Speedway. I'm so excited because I was not able to do this for a really long time. Oh. Sure. Okay. Can you see my screen? I hope you can. I can see it, so you should see it as well. All right, so I did start, oh my god, 3 weeks ago. Hello, Aniket. Nice to see you. Hadn't seen you in a while. I am doing good. How are you doing? I'm just excited. So I finally get to do my racer. And as I was saying, like I kind of got started on it a little bit, but then I also showed like the video of how to get started. But I kind of like was not able to continue. Ulrich is saying yes, so that's good. I think that means that yes, you can see my screen. Cool. So 3 weeks ago, I started this thing. And if you don't know what that is, go to anypointspeedway.com. And I should actually open my Keycaster too. Okay, skip this version. Cool. So yeah, go to anypointspeedway.com. And there you will be able to start racing. So if you don't know how, just go into instructions. How does it work? This race has 2 challenges to compete in. You create a racer application that implements REST API and AI. We test it out on our racetrack using our REST API application. To begin, you need to get a client ID, client secret from here. Here. So as I was saying, I did create a video. So if you don't know how to get started with like the very, very basic thing, which is just to like get into the race, go ahead and take a look at this video where I explain everything. Yes, so it's pretty much just like get the client ID and to register in the participate page, which is this. So I did that last time and it's on the video. I might have to do this again because I believe, wait, I think my username was Martinez44. Yeah, so let me do this again with Martinez45. Martinez, because I think the 44 already expired. Yeah, grant access to Martinez45. Okay, so request access again. Production, application, create a new application. Alex Racer. Create. SLA tier, compete. Here, request access. All right, so I don't care if you see my client ID and client secret. So participate page. And here we put client ID, client secret, and submit. And we got it. So now display name, Alex Martinez. Alexandra.martinez@salesforce.com. And I don't have my API URL just yet. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay. So yeah, first thing, whatever. But I did have to return a health thing, right? Yeah, the health. And I believe I have the health. Let me go back to my cursor. Oh, wow, you're still going. Maybe that's why my computer is so slow. Yeah, I think this is why my computer is so slow. Okay, let's not see the graph. So just like this, I have my listener, I have a transform, I am setting the payload with OK. And now I need to send this. But I think the login in cursor is not there yet. Yeah. Okay, fine. I will use VS Code for just a moment. Let me close cursor. And let me open VS Code. And in case you don't know what cursor is, it's pretty much VS Code, but with an AI chat that can help you to generate code, which is really cool. Okay. So I'm in VS Code, everything is loading. I didn't know I had to open VS Code, otherwise I would have it open already. But I need it so I can deploy this thing. Oh, it's not even here. Open. Why is my computer so slow? Anypoint Racer API Season 4. Let me see if I can close out things. Because this is not good. Well, no, pretty much it's VS Code in my camera. The things that are taking forever. I wonder if I can quit some other stuff. Nope. That's pretty much everything that I have open. Well, that sucks. Well, at least if my audio is fine, then we're fine, I guess. Anyway, Martinez 45. Okay, so I have my Racer. And let's just deploy this to CloudHub 2. US East, Sandbox. I guess? I don't even remember. So let's see how this goes. I may not even go back to cursor now, because like if I'm gonna keep having to deploy, I don't know, we'll see. But also, like, I don't know what I'm doing. So I may actually need cursor. I'm not sure. We'll see. Why is this not up? I don't have Anypoint platform open. Not now. Runtime manager. Sandbox. Okay, it is deploying. I don't even remember if I had to do anything else. So hopefully that's good enough. While that happens, let me go ahead and copy my thing. Put it here. I don't even remember what I already did with the project, to be honest. So, okay, it's just a listener configuration with health. And we're just returning okay to explain, and that's pretty much it. We did create a global, apparently. I thought I was not using best practices, but okay. Maybe I am. Well, while that happens, because I don't know why this is taking so long, this should already be up, but okay. So the first thing is to check name. The first challenge is to verify the display name matches the audio. So my display name is Alex Martinez. Okay, let me zoom in on this too. My display name is Alex Martinez. How are we doing here? Oh, this is done. Okay, cool. Save. Okay, connection health was done. I am in, folks. Cool. All right, so check name. The first challenge is to verify the display name matches the audio. Whether you turn on the switch indicating that you are entering the race, we will send a get request to your /voice/name resource. I'm scared. That should have an audio MP3 file. Our application will then test to see if the display name matches the MP3 file audio. You will earn a point if the display name matches the MP3 audio. Okay, let's go back to cursor. I'm not ready to do this on my own, and I have been testing cursor much more lately. Granted, with other technologies, because I was trying to do like some React stuff, which was really cool because I don't know React at all. So cursor was really useful for that. Okay, so first of all, let's create a new Mule configuration file. What was check name? So check name, bias detection, voice assistant. Yeah, let's do check name. So new Mule configuration file. Check name, I guess. Why not? Oh, my CPU is struggling. Let's start with a flow. And let me make this smaller. Let me ask this thing. Create, well, actually, yeah, let's remove the flow. Create a Mule flow with an HTTP listener using the global configuration we have in the project. Add the path. I hope you can see what I'm writing. Add the path, and then this path to this HTTP listener. Get request. Accept get requests. Wait. I wonder if I can just copy and paste this thing with that. My display name is Alex Martinez. And let me show it the Mac project AI. I don't remember. Yes, it was actually Mac mac-project.ai. Okay, go to docs. So what exactly do I need for here, speech to text, text to speech. And who are you? I don't know which one you are. Agent chat, no. Inference, no. Well, here's toxicity, so that's good. Vector, no. Web crawler, no. Is it whisper? Yeah. So I need what? Text to speech? Oh, it will send a GET request here that should have an audio MP3 file. Our application will then test to see if the display name matches the MP3 file audio. Okay, so text to speech. I mean, technically, I can just like record myself saying it. But fine, I won't cheat. So text to speech, so I can generate my stuff. Output field. Output directory. Okay. I wonder if I can just like give it the URL. Use the Mac project for this implementation. Oh, sure. Let's see. No, our servers are currently overloaded. No, this was like my whole thing. Okay. Well, fine. I will do it myself then. It's fine. I can do it. I am an adult. Check name. Build a flow. Like, I spent like almost 20 minutes or like 15 minutes just generating the prompt for cursor, and it's not working. Oh well. Such is life. All right, so HTTP listener. Oh. Listener. Listener config. Okay, so the path. Here. Voice name. Okay. So this is gonna return a file that I will save somewhere. So let's leave it like that for now. I'm thinking what to do. Okay, fine. I will add some, well, I don't, configuration properties. let's just do properties.yaml configuration properties, and let's just do new file properties.yaml. Again, I hope you can see my screen just fine. So I need my display name. Here. Let's just call it display name. To the point. All right, so display name, there's that, there's the configuration. Now here we need to implement our stuff from here. So first of all, how do I use Maven? Oh, I need like, I think I need the Open API. Fine. So JDK, mule runtime 490, I think I was. Yeah, and Java 17. Maven, POM, constantly updated. Let's see, Maven Central. Mule for vectors. Vectors? No, Whisper. And how? Mule for Whisper connector. Okay, 218. According to this. Yeah. Okay. I remember saying, Ryan, something about a new version. I think Ryan had it in his repo. Let me search Ryan. Heck. No. What do you mean? Users. Ryan. Here's Ryan. Repos. Maybe not. MuleSoft toxicity. Was it the other Ryan? Because I see another Ryan here. Nah, that's not it. Look at young Ryan. So young, so full of hope. I don't know if Ryan is watching. I'm sorry. Well, I guess I will just use this then. If it turns out that I need to use another version, we will see when we get there. So repos, dependency, was in dependencies, right? Yeah. Dependency, IO, GitHub, MuleSoft, AI chain project, Mule for Whisper connector, version 0.0280. Okay, synchronize, yeah. And it's downloading. So while that happens, well, we did that. Now we need text to speech. Are you done? Yes. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to add it from here, so we'll see. Connectors. And it's not there. Whisper. Nope. Why are you not there? Did it download the dependencies? How can I know? What is this anyway? Agent, embedding. Yeah, that doesn't help. I should be able to see it here. It's not Agent Force. It's not Einstein. Salesforce, Data Cloud. Ah. Did it actually download? Can I like... Well, it did say that it was downloading the thing. I just don't see it. Ah. Is it just that it's not showing here? Is that it? And I have to go to Studio or something? Because I refuse. This refers to the Mac Whisper configuration set up in the Getting Started session. XML configuration. Okay, what if I just copy and paste this here? Oh, wait. Where's my flow? No, it's here. Yeah, that is not working. Whisper, text to speech. Okay, let's remove this for now. And why are you... Ah, yeah, that's fine. What if I close and reopen? I refuse to use Anypoint Studio. Like, I'm 100% ACB now. I'm pretty sure Ryan said that he created another thing somewhere. And it was like a different... It was a different name. It was not like io.github. Ryan, are you here? Please be here. Cause I don't see the thing. I don't see the whisper. And I do not want to install it directly. Oh, you know what I can do? I can go to my M2. Yeah, let's see if it is installed there. So let's go to my home and then cd.m2. Sure. LSA, cd repo, LSA. So it was IO. IO. Yeah, IO. cd IO, LSA. I think it was GitHub. IO dot GitHub MuleSoft AI chain project. cd GitHub, LSA. cd MuleSoft AI chain project, LSA. Okay, it is there. cd Whisperer. 0280. Okay. So it is there. I just cannot access it for some reason. That sucks. And it's not in Exchange, right? Might as well try. I don't think so, but I can try. Why not? Whisper. No. There's the MCP connector. Yeah. Why can't I just do it? So now it's gonna become a troubleshooting session on why I cannot add this from Anypoint Code Builder. The Mac Whisperer, it should appear as Mac Whisperer. And what is inside here anyway? 0. Okay, so it is there. I can see the jars and the palms. Config graph. OpenAI. What if I search for Mac project? No. Published 12 days ago. I still feel like there was another link to this. You know what? Let me look for Maven, Mule for Whisperer. Cloud Anypoint. Wasn't it this one? Mule Whisperer. Yeah. 030. I think this was it. So this is from cloud.anypoint. I think this is the one that Ryan did. I'm almost sure. So let me do a cd or okay, LSA. I don't have cloud anypoint. Oh yeah, I do. CD cloud LSA CD anypoint LSA. Oh, I was using the Mule Vectors connector. Okay. So let's use that one for this instead. Load Anypoint. Yes. Okay. It is downloading now. Up. There was an issue. LSA. Did he download it? Oh, Mule Whisper connector. Wait. Yeah, that's what I wrote. Mule Whisper connector. Missing artifact. Cloud Anypoint. The jar. CD Mule Whisper connector LSA. CD0 LSA. There's only the jar last updated. Is that not good enough? I guess not. Can I just like copy it? ZP Mule Whisper connector jar last updated to Mule Whisper connector jar. And let's say, okay, does that work for you? Yes. Cool. So let's see now if this thing lets me. Let's make this. How do I minimize the? Oh, here. Cool. All right. Let's see. Connectors. Ah, still not there though. But what if I add this thing here? Nope. Okay. What if I try to write it? Whisper. Nope. What if I try to create the OpenAI? Nope. I don't understand why I cannot use it. Because I already used the vectors one. Let me see. My vectors repo to see if I did something different. AI vectors. So Mule project. Let's see the bomb. Dependencies, and I should have the cloud. What? Oh, here. Oh, come MuleSoft connectors. Mule4 vectors connector. What? How? Wasn't it coming from cloud? Wait, what? Where is... Here. Vectors, vectors, vectors. Connector. Maybe this was already published. Getting started. No, it also says IO GitHub. Ah, how did I do that? Did I install it manually? I don't think so. Oh, maybe I did. Or is this like another vectors connector? Building locally. Maybe I did. Before I do that, let me just try Mule connectors. See if that actually works. Pretty please. Nah. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Let me see what is in com. LSA CD com, LSA CD MuleSoft, LSA. Okay, CD connectors. Mule Whisper connector. I actually have it, but is it because I tried to download it? Mule4 vectors connector. Mule Whisper. I think it's because I tried to download it. It's the same jar. I can also just like copy and paste it. Ah. Yeah. Oh no, it worked. But just because it like takes it doesn't mean that it's good. Connectors. Let me make this smaller. Whisper, it's not here. Ah, this is so annoying. Okay. Fine, I will install it. But It's here though. Like, why would I need to install that if it's right here? I don't think that's gonna make a difference. License, developer, parent, properties. I did have a bomb, right? If I go back to M2 repository, CD cloud, Anypoint, Mule, Whisperer. Yeah, it does have a POM. What's in the POM? It's the same. Do I maybe have to run it again to generate the POM? So like, maybe I do, maybe I... No, because I'm downloading the whole thing. Then I'm installing it. And what's the repo here? And everything is pointing to vectors. I need the Whisper. It does say 0 to 80. Fine. Do you think maybe if I close and reopen? Okay, what if I add a set payload or like a logger so these stops showing errors? Okay. So now, what if I try Whisper? Okay. Let me save and quit. Will you actually make me go to Studio? Like, I know I could have just opened Studio by now and it probably would have worked from there, but you can't blame me for trying. Probably with Cursor, this would have helped, because like maybe it would import the thing that I need. Please, no. Whisperer, no. I mean, it's still loading. Oh, it finished loading. Ooh, Whisper, no. AI? No. Fine. Do I even have Studio installed at all? Oh yeah, I do. Okay. Let's quit this, because then Studio is gonna freak out. I am not happy about this. I am absolutely, positively, definitely not happy. I don't even know if I'm still lagging. I think I am. I don't even know what this is. Close. Project. New. No, import Anypoint Studio project from file system. Downloads. Anypoint Racer API. Don't copy project. Finish. Sure. Perform update. I don't see the module here either. It's in the POM, right? Yeah. Okay, let me remove it. Save it. Oh, it's still building, I think. Okay, it finished. Add and save. Also, like, sometimes it's Mule 4 and sometimes it's just Mule. So that makes it also confusing. That didn't work. What if I write just Mule? That didn't work. Whisperer. Okay, well, now it should have definitely worked now. I am in studio. Let's try Ryan's. It was that one. Let me close this, Cloud Anypoint. Dependency. Sure. Nope. Right? Nope. What if I just don't understand what I'm doing wrong. This is driving me crazy. Is there a way that I can just like manage dependencies, manage APIs, manage modules? Add from Maven. Okay. I think this is just gonna like literally copy and paste, but let's try. Group ID, artifact ID, version, scope provided, I guess. Okay, install. Ah, no, not local. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Apply. Then close. Still not there. No, I think it's literally just adding this thing here, which I already have. So why bother? Okay, let's try to add it again. Let me see if that works. Manage modules. Add from Maven. So cloud Anypoint, this thing, and 030. Cloud Anypoint, this thing, in 030. Install. Oh no, I can't do it again. Okay, line close. I too. Oh, I see it now. How does that make sense? What even was the change? Now let me open VS Code and see what happened. Is it just like a studio thing? No. No, there were some changes. Oh, but I think it's my changes. Close all. Okay, well, it changed the group ID. I don't know if VS Code did that. Also, the Mule Maven plugin version, Mule application. Okay, Studio did all that, I think. But here's the dependency. I don't know what changed. I wonder if I can see it here now. Mac Whisperer, yay! Well, I don't know what that did. Can I? $11.21. I don't know what that did. But that's dumb. Okay. Well, whatever works, right? So anyway, so we had this thing. I just have 10 minutes left. This is... Maybe I can make it. Okay, so Mac Whisperer. And we want to text to speech first. Oh, I can remove the logger now. Okay, text to speech, and the text is gonna come from the properties. What is this? Oh no! No, ignore that. How can I? Ah, here. Oh, I cannot even see the. Well, never mind. Mule P. And I forgot the name that we had set for the property. Display name. Okay. Mule P, display name. Close. Cool. So that's a text. And then name doc ID config. Oh, I'm missing the config. That's fine. Model name, voice, speed, response format, I guess. Path to output is also not here, but let's add the configuration. Config, local whisper, I guess. Local whisper. Threads, language, model path. Is this the, like, no. What is a model path? Come on. Connector overview supported. OpenAI. So I need OpenAI. But how do I copy and paste? Yeah. I did the whole installation, connector configuration. Okay. I don't want Whisper, J, and I want OpenAPI. I do need the API key. No, I don't think I have an OpenAI key. Can I do that with the free account? TLS context. Okay, we'll do that later. Okay, I need the API key. Wait, where? Name, connection, OpenAI. Ah, here, OpenAI. Because if I do local whisper, okay, I see. No, OpenAI, I need the API key. TLS context for the OpenAI service. None. What happens if I click on it? Okay, never mind. All right, so I need the API key. So I'm gonna get this from the properties because I do not want to hard code it. So Mule Oh, you know what? I'm going to use the other syntax. So OpenAI.API key. This is how I'm going to name it. Add. And let's go here. OpenAI API key. So I need to create my key. Am I using Copilot? Oh no, never mind. Okay, so there's that. I guess it was created here. Yeah, I need to move it to the global configuration. Here we go. Close. And okay, so text is gonna come from the display name. I guess I don't need a path to output file. And here, why I cannot select the thing? It was just there. It was just there. Thank you. Okay. I guess I don't care about this. Target value. Okay, so this is gonna go to the payload, which is what I think Ryan wanted, and that's why he said to use the other thing. Why do I have an error? Oh, because of the API key, right? Right? What do you mean? It's here. No. Here. What if I reopen this? Fixed. Okay. I just need my API key. Is there a way that I can get it? Can I get an OpenAI key for free? I have no idea. But before I open my ChatGPT here, oh, well, I can just go to OpenAI. Wait. Login. Because I don't want you to see everything that I've been doing. Let's see. Is it in settings? Where is it even? How to get OpenAI API key. API keys section in your dashboard. API key page. Okay. Let me copy this. Hold on. Ah. I see my error. Continue with Google. Yes. Okay. Where? Ah, API keys, I see. Create new secret key, name, Anypoint race? No, Anypoint Speedway. Default project. Okay. All right, I have my key. Cool. So now I'm gonna add it here, but you cannot see. So give me just 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Give me just 1 second. Just 1 second. Okay. Yes. Ah. Wait. Let me regenerate it now, because like you all saw it now. Delete. Delete. Create new Anypoint Speedway. Well, now I'm not gonna name it that. Copy. Well, now I can show it here because like I'm gonna change it now. Properties.yaml. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna take you off. Don't see. You shall not see a thing. And let me just double check that it's there. Yes, awesome. And now I'm not gonna do the same mistake again. Cool. So there's that. And now let's just... I'm not even gonna test it. I'm gonna send it directly to the cloud. Should I? No. Fine. I'm gonna run it. Mule debugger. I shall run it. I tried to just be careless and free, but fortunately that's not how I roll. Sometimes. Not all the time. I should also be like putting in properties my... What is this? So it was... yeah, that I was saying that this should be in properties, but I don't care. Slash voice slash name. So let's open a curl because it's a get. And I'm guessing it's gonna return something weird. Localhost. Forgot the curl. Curl. Localhost 8081 slash voice slash name. Okay, but it did connect to the thing. And what does this mean? No, not here. You have hit your assigned rate limit for the API. I haven't even used it. I have literally not used it today. I can see my usage. I don't see anything. Okay, you know what? Let me just... It clearly is connecting, I hope. So let me just send this to CloudHub. What? Deploy CloudHub 2. I can even see like if Ryan is checking that and showing you the... Yes. Yes. I think it's 2 now. Redeploy. Almost done, I promise. I don't even understand why my connector was not showing. Like, I had to just import it from Studio and then it started working here. That doesn't even make sense. And it was published. It's still gonna... because this is the last one. Yeah. So let me try it from my browser. I forgot voice name. Okay. Voice name. I'll leave it there. I can close this whole thing. Oh, I closed Anypoint platform. So close, yet so far. Okay. Yay. Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah, same thing. Okay, and let's see what Ryan says here. It showed it briefly. Internal server error. Well, it showed it really quick. The error, but that's fine. I'm just gonna have to wait, I guess, but I don't know why I haven't used it. Oh well. And the other way to show it was not with OpenAI. It was with the other thing, but I saw that it was not compatible in Cloud Hub 2. So, oh well, we'll just have to wait, I guess. All right, so that is all for this live stream. Remember to follow us on twitch.tv/MuleSoft_community so you can see all of our videos, recordings, our schedule in your local times, and you will receive notifications as soon as we're live. And the chat is better than LinkedIn, in my opinion, but do whatever you feel like is best for you. All right, that is all for this video then. I will see you next week, same time. Bye.